All right, guys, we are unboxing and taking a look at this amazing bondage kit. It's a 7-piece BDSM bondage restraint kit with adjustable handcuffs, shackles, mouth gag, whip, blindfold, and paddle. And this is great for you know what. I'm an Amazon influencer I'm like the top Amazon influencer for sex toys. Can I say that? I don't know if I can say that. We'll see if the video gets approved. I've reviewed probably over 250 in this category. So I've got a lot of experience with them. This is really nice packaging. I actually like the branding on the front. Usually, a lot of people are like, what are you talking about the branding on a box? It's like, here's the thing. You know, it's easy to make a brand nowadays. It's easy to just, get some products from China, put your own branding on it, whatever. When a company puts a little more effort in, usually that means something. So that's the reason I mention it. There's a little more of a branding aspect to this. All right, so let's go ahead and identify everything. And then I'll kind of set it out on the table and you guys will be able to see it. So this is the necklace right here. And it is a total length of 27.95 inches. The neck is adjustable from 11.8 to 15.7 inches. This is really high quality. You can see it. I love the material. I love the kind of like leopard print kind of vibe on the front. Really, I mean, you're going to feel like a high-end vibe when you're using this stuff, which definitely is going to be what you want to do. So that's how you buckle the neck right there, just like a belt buckle. And that's that. All right, so we'll put that in place. What I'm going to do is just hit on everything as I'm unpackaging it, and then you'll see it all laid out. So this is the whip. So that's definitely going to work. Got some flop to it. Got some bang right there. Here we've got the ball gag. So you can see how that works like that. Here is the paddle. Actually, yeah. So this is a little more floggy vibe. Not going to be quite as severe as that, but you got something there. So that's really nice. You got a handle on the back. And this is it's really good material. We've got the eye mask right here, so you can have more of those like feline, kind of like evil cat vibes if you want. We've got... these are the handcuffs right here. So the difference between the handcuffs and the ankle cuffs is there's a little bit of a size difference. So ankle cuffs right here, these are a little bigger, as you can see. And then you got the handcuffs right here. I'll go close with the handcuffs. You can see very high quality material. Obviously, you can see you can put them together. So you are handcuffed and ankle cuffed. So I would say very high quality. Let's cut to a different angle so you can see these a little closer up. All right, guys, so here we go. We've got the handcuffs right here. Very high quality. I love the gold, the leopard print. Really nice touch. You can undo these so they're not connected if you want, like that. Same thing for the ankle cuffs here. So as you can see, there's definitely a size difference. You can see the handcuffs, the ankle cuffs. Same vibe, just a little bigger. You've got that whip paddle. You've got kind of more of that. This one, you've got the elastic cat headband thing for your eyes. We've got the ball gag right here. Very nice, easy to buckle. And you've got the holes down here. And then we also have the neck chain or necklace or leash. I would call it a leash. Let's go with leash. Looks very high quality, high end. I think you're going to love this. Thumbs up from me.